Hey, it's Edge here, and today we're taking a look at technical analysis for internet computer with ticker ICP. First, we'll check out some major levels of support and resistance, and then I'll show you some possibilities with Elliott Wave theory. So let's get going. So let's bring out some support and resistance areas. The brown boxes again are the support and resistance areas that we've seen good bounces off of. Major one up here around 87 cents or $87, sorry. Another one around here at $38, and this current one that we've just visited twice now around $14.6. Now between these levels we got weeklies, dailies and monthlies that we're going to look for confluence with these levels. So on high time frame, let's bring out some levels here. So VWAP, this orange line, Fibonacci retracement from the all-time highs to all-time lows, or basically current date, and the volume profile from all-time highs to the current date. Not much confluence here to be seen. We got this range value area low, same place where we got this new established weekly from the March 14th, or yeah, second week of March. Got another point of control here around $20. Don't see other areas or other levels of confluence there except this one where we've had some kind of resistance up here and some support below here. Could be added as a resistance area. On medium time frame, let's check that out. So medium time frame. Bring these guys out. This is again from the highs of September 2021 to current date. We got 0.5 fib here around the weekly, and the weekly established at the 0.5. This is going to be an interesting area if the price comes up here around $35. Not much else. We got the point of control around the $16.90 area where we got again some dailies surrounding it, but can't see too much confluence on this one. On low time frame, let's jump in a bit closer. Again, lows of February 2022 to current date. Point of control around this daily of 16.66 cents. Got again range value area high with a golden pocket around the $19.60 area. 50% retracement with the daily and 32% retracement with the daily as well on these levels. So this is going to be facing a lot of resistance. Now this weekly hasn't been back tested as a resistance yet, but I would be assuming, since we've already tested it twice as a support around these times here, that we're going to go through it as we did, and now possibly back testing it and going further. And yeah, I think that's all I wanted to share with those ones. So let's take a look at some Elliott Waves stuff. So this first move, again from all-time highs to lows of June 2021. Not sure where it stands or where it starts. I mean, I've labeled this as an ABC, then another ABC of lower degree into a W, X, Y, X, Z. Other possibility is having this whole thing as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and instead of the ABC here, we would need to be looking for some kind of structure, possibly the wave 3 where A wave is and B would be the wave 4. We can establish that because the end of wave 1 is coming really close to the wave 4 end here. This would be the E wave of this triangle, but they do not overlap. So that is why that is possible. But in any case, the whole move ends here at the lows of June 2021, and the next move ends from there. There's a couple of different possibilities. This is the main one, or the only one that makes sense to me at the moment, saying that this is an ABC. Wave 3 is super short, and again, wave 5 is really weird looking as well, saying this would be some kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But yeah, it's valid, and therefore it's fine, I guess. Wave 3 again does not get even close to 1.618, so that's why I wanted to look for an alternative where I had a WXY here. But on this last WXY, this light blue color minuet degree, the last Y wave does not get to 0.618, which is really odd. I would like to see it to go to there, so that is why I have this ABC as my main. Now again, we establish some kind of channel here, ABC, and here we broke out of it, so we can somewhat confirm that the end of this structure was around here at September 2021. Now another channel. This is established by having the A, B and C. I've used for this channel the start of A to B, and then dragging it down to the end of A or start of B. The channel is not perfect, but you can see that the price is actually respecting it pretty well. If you would have longed here on these lows, you could have possibly gained something. But again, this is a downtrend, and trading against the trend is something that you should be really careful of. So instead of going long, I would be looking for shorts around these tops. Currently, we are at the middle of the channel. I wouldn't be shorting or long in this. There's a few options here how we can look at this structure here. I'm saying that this is ABC, so a move, something ended here. Now this could be the first leg of this whole structure, or this could be something else. Again, the next options that I'm presenting is from the guess, I guess, that we ended this previous minute structure on green here on December 2021. Now this is saying again we have an W, X and Y. No, that's not right. We have an ABC up here. Okay, yeah. ABC up here, then we have a W, X, and then we would be looking for Y wave. So small time frame we would be looking for X wave. How this is even possible is because the first leg or the second leg does not go past the 1.618 retracement of this first move. Now if it does even create a shorter lower low than currently we have, I would be looking at something different than this count. This also could be said and shown like this, where this again the X wave is here, or it could be said that X wave is here. Again, with the three-wave structures, there's loads of different possibilities, unfortunately, and Elliott Wave does not really provide too much on it. We can just see and figure out where we have most probability of actions to happen or price action to happen, and go with that if we want to trade it. Option 2 would be again that we would be looking to create some kind of a connector wave here and connecting this structure to this structure here. Now this count here is saying that this first leg is a W, another X, and now we would be looking for 3 waves down. Other option is saying that this is actually a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, creating a zigzag pattern down here. Minimum extension of 0.618 around the $13 area. For the other account, we have basically the same minimum extension. So both of these outlooks are lower currently. Overall, I think the whole structure, let's go back to daily, looks the best as some kind of a WXY. This last leg may not be done, or it could be done here, and this we would be getting some kind of other structure. But again, this is really hard to say where the bottom is going to be. Let's measure out if this is actually, yeah, and this still can be even this kind of structure here in the middle, ending here or here, and going for higher. And at that point we would be using, or could be using, this price action as some kind of connector and looking for way more lower targets. And unfortunately there's just no clear way to see this price action here. Yeah, for this minor or yellow count we have W, X and Y. These degrees here could be lowered to match the count, but I just didn't do that yet, as there's no real clear information about what is actually going on. The minimum retracement or extension here would be the 0.618 again for WXY correction for the Y wave. Again, around that $13 area where the other counts would be leading us towards as well. Now overall we're still in this downtrend. Only if this downtrend breaks, I could be looking into creating some kind of longer setups here. But before that, I would be staying away from this. I think that is going to be all I want to share to you today. So if you have another coin you would like me to analyze with Elliott Waves, let me know down in the comments below. For now, I thank you for watching and hope to see you back here soon. Bye bye.